How to fix Meta Glasses speakers not working. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. If the speakers on your Meta smart glasses suddenly stop playing sound, it's usually not a hardware issue. In most cases, the problem comes from software, Bluetooth routing, or simple connection errors. Now, I'm going to give you a breakdown of why this happens and how to fix it. So first, the question is why the audio stops working. The most common reasons include Bluetooth audio being sent to the wrong device, temporary app or firmware glitches, low battery or power saving restrictions, blocked speaker openings, missing app permissions, outdated software, or the glasses being connected but not chosen as the active audio output. Thankfully, these issues are usually easy to fix. So first is that you got to confirm the audio output. Start by playing a song or video on your phone. Open your Bluetooth or media output settings and verify that the Meta glasses, such as any Meta glasses you have, are selected as the playback device. If your phone is connected to other Bluetooth accessories like earbuds, speakers, or a car system, disconnect them so the audio doesn't get redirected. But if that doesn't solve your issue, you can try resetting the glasses. A quick reset can clear temporary audio bugs. Place the glasses into the charging case, close the lid and wait about 30 seconds. After that, open the case, put the glasses back on and test the audio again. And if that doesn't solve your issue as well, you get to refresh Bluetooth on your phone. Turn Bluetooth off on your phone, wait around 10 seconds, then turn it back on and reconnect the glasses. This forces a fresh Bluetooth handshake and often resolves sound issues. Make sure the volume is turned up on both the glasses and your phone. Use the touch controls on the glasses to raise the volume. Then check your phone's media and call volume sliders to ensure nothing is muted or restricted. And look closely at the speaker vents on the glasses. Dust or debris can reduce sound output over time. Gently clean the openings if needed. While dirt usually won't fully mute audio, it can significantly lower volume. If that doesn't solve your issue as well, you can try opening the MetaView app and check for updates. Install any available updates and reopen the app afterward, as outdated software can cause audio syncing problems. But if there's still no sound after trying all of the steps above, especially if the glasses were exposed to water, one speaker is completely silent or the audio is consistently crackling or distorted, there may be internal damage. In that case, reaching out to Meta or Ray-Ban support is the best option. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.